Okay, good day. This is the Algebra 2 Blended Learning Day presentation for January 13th, 2023. Our learning goal for today, we're going to add, subtract, multiply, and divide monomials and binomials. This should be review for everybody, so let's get right to it. So if you are asked to add or subtract binomials, you should distribute the sign and collect the like terms. So when I look at this expression here, 2 plus 4r plus 3r minus 6, because of the plus in the middle, I can get rid of all of my signs without having to change anything. So I have 2 plus 4r plus 3r minus 6. So I'm going to collect my like terms. 4r plus 3r is 7r, and then 2 plus negative 6 will be negative 4, and that will be my expression right there. Now, when you have a subtraction sign, you're going to do something similar, but except for when we get rid of these parentheses, we're going to distribute the negative. So I have 4x squared minus 3x, and then minus 2x squared, and then when I distribute that to not only this 2x squared to get my negative and distribute it to the negative x here, it becomes positive x. And then I'm just going to collect my like terms. 4x squared minus 2x squared is 2x squared. And then negative 3x plus x will be negative 2x. Put a box around that and be done. Okay, if you are asked to multiply a binomial, you're going to use the distributive property, and then you're just going to multiply. So in this first case, I'm just going to distribute that 2 to those first two terms. 2 times x is 2x, and then 2 times 4 is 8. Put a box around that, and we are finished. Similarly, we will take this 3x, and we will distribute it to both of those two terms. So 3x times 6x will be 18x squared, and then 3x times negative 2 will be negative 6x. Put a box around that, and we are finished. Our last thing that we're going to talk about is when you multiply two binomials, you're going to distribute both terms in the first binomial to both terms in the second binomial. We will multiply and then collect like terms. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go 2 times x, and I'm going to go I am going to go x times x, and then x times negative 3. So x times x will give me x squared, and then x times negative 3 will give me negative 3x. After I've completed that, because I've multiplied it x times both of the terms in the second binomial, now I'm going to come over and I'm going to multiply the second term in the first binomial by both terms in the second binomial. So 2 times x is 2x, and then 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. I am going to just collect my like terms, and you'll notice I stacked like terms. I'll have x squared, and then negative 3x plus 2x is, that's incorrect, is negative x, and then minus 6. I'll put a box around that, and we're done with this one. Similarly, if I want to multiply these two, I'll go the 3x times the 3x, and then 3x times 4. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times 4 is 12x. And then I will multiply the second term, so negative 4 times 3x and negative 4 times positive 4. And I will get negative 4 times positive 3x is negative 12x, and then negative 4 times positive 4 is negative 16. Now these two cancel, and my final answer will be just 9x squared minus 16. All right there, folks. I know that was quick, but you can always go back if you need and rewind and pause if you need to. But just for a little fun, the McCully fun fact of the day, Mr. McCully's favorite sports team is the Detroit Red Wings, and my favorite player of all time is Sergei Fedorov, a Russian-born forward who defected to become a United States citizen and play for Detroit. He won 3 Stanley Cups with Detroit before he moved on to play with other teams. Well, that's all I got for today, folks. Have a good day. Bye.